Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will walk you through a supply chain analytics and demand forecasting solution built on Databricks. In the real world, business data is scattered across many different systems. Sales data may live in ERP platforms, inventory data in warehouse systems, production data in manufacturing application, and maintenance data in several management tools. When information is scattered across so many sources, it becomes difficult to manage, analyze, and visualize everything at the same time. To address this, we brought data from different systems into Databricks, where it is collected, organized, and prepared for analysis in one place. This reduces the manual effort, improves consistency, and provides a unified view of the supply chain, giving teams a reliable foundation for reporting, analytics, and better business decision making. So let's start with the executive dashboard. The executive dashboard provides an overall view of the business performance. Here we can quickly understand how sales, procurement, inventory, and operational activities are performing over time. Instead of manually combining reports from different departments, leadership can monitor key business indicators from a single dashboard. Let's move on to the supply chain and procurement dashboard. Procurement teams can monitor supplier purchase orders, inventory levels, and purchase trends. This provides visibility into purchasing activity, stock availability, and helping teams ensure that materials are available when needed and that procurement decisions are aligned with better business demands. The sales and customer dashboard provides a view of the customer summary, material overview, and purchase trends. This helps commercial teams understand customer activity, track product and material performance, identify the purchasing patterns that support better sales planning and customer engagement. Moving on, we have the production downtime dashboard, which focuses on the production insights, including production data, machine downtime, and downtime reasons, and planned versus actual production. This allows operational teams to quickly identify disruptions, understand the causes of downtime, and compare planned output with actual performance so they can improve efficiency and reduce production delays. While these dashboards provide valuable insights into what has already happened, businesses also need to understand what is likely to happen next. This is where forecasting comes into picture. Using historical business data collected over several years, the forecasting solution analyzes the demand patterns and estimates future demand for the coming months. Rather than relying solely on intuition or manual spreadsheets, planners receive data-driven prediction that helps support procurement, production scheduling, and inventory planning. The dashboard represents both historical demand and future projections in a single view, allowing planners to compare past performance with the expected demand. Alongside the forecast, confidence intervals provide an expected range of future demand, helping decision makers understand the uncertainty that naturally exists in forecasting. The objective here is not to replace the human decision making, but to provide planners with reliable insights that improve planning accuracy and support better decision making. In summary, this solution demonstrates how Databricks can unify enterprise data, transform it into trusted business information, and extend those insights with artificial intelligence to support future planning. By bringing analytics and forecasting together on a single platform, organizations gain better visibility, improve operational efficiency, and make better, faster, and more informed decisions across the supply chain. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.